So dermal fillers in the lips is one of the most challenging procedures. And what I'm doing now is just highlighting the different approaches that we might take and the different portions of the lip that we're going to be addressing, whether it's the body of the lip or the outlining of the lip itself. What you're seeing is someone who has a fairly well-defined lip, and I'm showing the different techniques that we might be using with a needle. The little vertical lines that you're seeing helps to evert the lip a little bit more. What you're seeing here helps to create a little bit more fullness in the lip without creating more eversion. What you're seeing actually now is the actual lining of the lip to help just give a little sharper border and definition. And now I'm doing that vertical pillar approach to help evert the lips just a little bit more subtly as well. You're also noticing that I'm going through the skin portion of the upper lip rather than the red portion, and that's to further minimize the possibility of bruising and possibly reduce the swelling as well. I also have the option of using cannulas, and the cannulas sometimes can be a little bit more uncomfortable, but has the advantage of fewer entry points as well as less bruising and possibly less swelling. So you're going to see very shortly an after picture where you're seeing the left side untouched and the right side where it's been treated. And again, I'm doing the lining of the lower lip to match the lining of the upper lip that I did as well. So here's the halfway point. She looks very natural, minimal bruising or no bruising that we can see. And now we're using the left side that we're catching up on, and we're using similar techniques to match what we did on the opposite side. Here's an immediate after picture that you can see. Very nice overall enhancement. You're also seeing a frontal view where again you can see really nice natural overall appearance, and this is a lip enhancement using dermal fillers.